Hi everyone, it's Artist from Man Carpentry and Construction Limited. In today's video I'm going to review this little Hoover, Makita brushless 18 volt. So is it worth having one? Now after I've used it for quite a while, it's actually quite handy. So here you can press to check your battery charge. Right here, this button here. Also what you have, your two speeds. I personally use speed number 2. Comes with a nozzle like this and like this. So you got two nozzles. Obviously you can't compare these two to be this against the like normal corded Hoover. It wouldn't be as powerful, but I would say it's well worth it, because what it can do, or what I use it for, is if I got to say cut one door down or anything like that. So it's quite handy. You can, you know, it's quite small, compact. Let me show you. I got some, I have hoovered some up, look here. So what you're gonna have to get like a dust bag which goes around the filter, so it's got a filter. It does count as wet and dry Hoover. I don't think you want to be using it for wet, but you can. Here are the batteries, so 18 volt batteries. It is quite actually surprising good bit of kit for obviously this thing I bought separately. This wasn't included, but yeah, it's quite surprisingly good for what it is. As I said, hoovering a little bit is perfect. You won't get a good finish as you would get with big Hoover if you've got big areas to hoover, but I mean for small jobs, perfect. So let me demonstrate. So this is, so you got speed 1, which is not perfect, but I usually go for speed 2. Yeah. Right, let's get my saw. I'll show you. It's quite good cleaning saw up as well. It's quite handy. So also personally what I use it for as well is if you need to plan doors, just put this attachment on. This is a Makita attachment. You can plug it onto the planer or any cordless tool. I use it for my miter saw. Again, you will need this extra adapter bit so it fits in your tools, because obviously this ain't very good for that. It's good for cleaning though, because obviously it's not as powerful, and this small hole means it's got more suction, so that is good for that. So yeah, I plug in my tool like so, and I use it for cleaning up and for my miter saw. It's very handy because you don't need to get all your leads out, like everything else. And yeah, don't expect it to be as good as a corded one obviously, but I must say for the price, which I will put in the description at the time I'm filming what the price is, body only for this, it is quite good bit of kit. So I hope you enjoy it, and I catch you in the next video.